Hey guys, my name is Ellie, and I'm gonna pet my cat Princess. And if you could hear her purring, leave a link. Comment down below. Sorry. Hold on. I'm gonna pet her somewhere. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry at the camera. I don't know why. I'm gonna move my phone on the mic so you can hear her. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy my video and leave a like.